up? We're back with another episode of Felder Fun Time. Today, we're making slime.
Did somebody say we're making slime? This is what you need to make slime.
Glue! Baking soda! I got baking soda!
You'll need a bowl, some measuring cups, your favorite assortment of food coloring, and some contact solution.
Whipping cream! Slime balls! Any colored glitter. First is glue. So satisfying.
Oh, wow. All right, let me get a cup for Kinsey. Let me see.
I'm still dumping it.
Yeah, that's all right. It comes out slow.
Very, very, very slow. Wiggle, wiggle that. Wiggle that glue.
Ooh.
Oh,
Go ahead. Dump it, baby girl.
be careful though.
Turn it the other way. Turn it the other way. All the way upside down. Let it all flow in there. Next is baking soda and water.
Ooh, little dribble dabble there.
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
Water. And then
Nice.
Ready for a community mix?
Mix.
Everybody grab the spoon.
Daddy, you have to bottom this. I'm gonna wiggle.
It's shaving cream time.
Bruh.
Ah! Jesus Christ! You crazy.
That ain't no whipped cream.
Ready?
Yes. Oh my God!
A few moments later.
Are we ready to put some coloring in?
Yeah!
Green like boogers.
Ew. Now we're gonna do contact solution for the last step, and then these steps are extra. You add whatever your heart desires. Glitter, Mackenzie got some slime balls, like we were saying earlier. All right, we gotta add that contact solution slowly. Oh no, slowly.
You put some on.
So much for slowly.
Whoopsie!
All right, get crazy. Add some glitter.
There's some crazy stuff. It's not squirting out.
Oh no, we got a malfunction.
Oh, it's
Oh, there's the
And this is what the finished product looks like.
fluffy.
Ooh.
I love playing with slime.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll be back with more videos in the future.